Hello everyone! If your child has a passion for leadership, enjoys engaging with their community, and dreams of making a significant impact on their state, a career as a governor might be an ideal goal. Governors play a critical role in shaping state policies, managing government operations, and representing the interests of their residents. In today's video, we'll guide you and your student through the steps needed to become a governor of a state, starting with the key subjects to focus on in junior and high school. Let's get started. We'll cover the educational path, including what to study in high school and college, the importance of gaining leadership experience, and the steps involved in pursuing a political career that could lead to the governor's office. We'll also share tips on how students can start preparing now to ensure they're ready for this ambitious and impactful career. If your child is serious about becoming a governor, keep watching. Step 1. Focus on key subjects in school. History. A deep understanding of U.S. and state history is essential for future governors. History classes help students learn about the development of state governments, important historical events, and how past leaders have shaped policies. Encourage your child to excel in history to build a solid foundation in governance and political context. Government civics. Understanding the structure and function of state and federal government is crucial for anyone aspiring to be a governor. Civics classes teach students about the Constitution, the branches of government, and the roles and responsibilities of state officials. These courses are fundamental for anyone pursuing a political career. English and strong communication skills are vital for governors who must articulate their policies, persuade others, and address the public effectively. Encourage your child to focus on English, writing, and public speaking courses to develop these skills. Economics. A solid understanding of economics is important for making informed decisions about the state's budget, taxes, and economic development. Economics classes teach students about market principles, fiscal policies, and the impact of government decisions on the economy. Social studies. Courses in social studies, including sociology and psychology, help students understand the complexities of society and human behavior. This knowledge is valuable for developing policies that address social issues and understanding the needs and concerns of citizens. Step 2. Participate in relevant extracurricular activities. Student government. Participating in student government is one of the best ways for your child to develop leadership skills, understand the importance of representation, and learn how to work within a structured political system. Holding a position such as class president or student council member can provide early experience in governance. Debate club. Joining a debate club helps students develop their argumentation skills, think critically, and articulate their positions on various issues. These skills are essential for any politician, especially a future governor. Community service volunteering in the community can help your child develop empathy, social responsibility, and a commitment to public service. Participating in community service projects also helps them understand the issues facing their local area, which is essential for effective governance. Model United Nations, MUN. MUN provides students with a global perspective on governance and diplomacy. It allows them to role-play as diplomats, negotiate resolutions, and engage in discussions about international issues. Valuable experience for anyone considering a political career. Pursuing higher education and gaining leadership experience. Step 3. Earn a high school diploma. Importance of academic excellence. A strong academic record in high school is crucial for getting into a top college or university, which is the next step toward a career in politics. Encourage your student to maintain high grades, particularly in the key subjects mentioned earlier, as this will prepare them for college and beyond. Step 4. Obtain a bachelor's degree in a relevant field. Choosing the right major. While there is no specific major required to become a governor, degrees in political science, history, economics, or law are commonly pursued by those interested in politics. These fields help students develop a deep understanding of government, policy, and the legal system. Maintaining a high GPA. A high GPA is important for getting into competitive law schools or graduate programs, which many future governors attend. Encourage your student to excel in their college courses and seek out opportunities for academic enrichment, such as honors programs or research projects. Gaining leadership experience. While in college, your child should seek leadership roles in student organizations, volunteer groups, or political clubs. Running for student government positions or starting a campus organization can help them build a leadership portfolio that will be valuable in their political career. Step 5. Consider earning an advanced degree. Law school. Many U.S. governors have been lawyers, as a law degree provides a deep understanding of the legal system, critical thinking skills, and experience in advocacy. If your child is interested in law, they should consider applying to a top law school after completing their bachelor's degree, graduate programs in public administration or public policy. If your child is more interested in policy making, a master's degree in public administration, public policy, or a related field can provide specialized knowledge and skills that are valuable in a political career. Step 6. Building a political career. Step 6. Gain experience in politics or public service. Start at the local or state level. Most governors start their political careers by serving in local or state government. Encourage your child to run for local office, such as city council, county commissioner, or state legislature, where they can gain experience in governance, build a political network, and start making a name for themselves in politics. Work for a political campaign. Gaining experience by working on political campaigns is another excellent way to learn the ropes of the political process. Your child can volunteer or work as a staffer for a candidate's campaign, learning about voter outreach, fundraising, and policy development. Build a reputation. Success in politics often comes from building a strong reputation for integrity, leadership, and the ability to get things done. Encourage your child to focus on developing these qualities and to seek out mentorship from experienced politicians or public servants. Step 7. Run for higher office, statewide office. After gaining experience at the local or state level, your child may consider running for statewide office, such as Attorney General, Secretary of State, or Lieutenant Governor. These positions provide a larger platform to influence state policy and build a statewide profile. Develop a clear vision. A successful gubernatorial candidate needs a clear vision and a strong platform that resonates with voters. Encourage your child to focus on the issues they are passionate about and to develop policies that reflect their values and goals for the state. Running for governor and leading the state. Step 8. Prepare for a gubernatorial campaign. Build a strong network. Running for governor requires a vast network of supporters, advisors, and volunteers. Your child will need to build relationships with key political figures, party leaders, and donors who can support their campaign. Develop a statewide platform. To run for governor, your child will need to articulate a platform that addresses the key issues facing the state. This includes developing policies on education, healthcare, the economy, and more. Announce candidacy and campaign. Running for governor involves announcing candidacy, participating in primary elections, and eventually campaigning across the state. It's a rigorous process that requires strong communication skills, resilience, and a commitment to public service. Step 9. Win the election. Primary and general elections. The road to the governor's office involves winning the primary election within your party and then competing in the general election. Success requires a well-organized campaign, effective fundraising, and the ability to connect with voters across the state. Inauguration. If your child successfully wins the election, they will be inaugurated as the governor of the state, taking on the immense responsibility of leading the state government and representing the interests of its residents. Conclusion. Preparing for a career as a governor. Becoming a governor is a challenging and ambitious journey that requires a deep understanding of government, strong leadership skills, and a commitment to serving the public. By focusing on the right subjects in school, gaining leadership experience, and following the steps outlined in this video, your child can start building the foundation for a successful political career that could one day lead to the governor's office. But before you go, I have a huge surprise coming up in just a few days that you definitely won't want to miss. It's something that could provide even more insights and tips to help you and your child succeed on this journey. So, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications to stay updated and be the first to know when the surprise drops. What's the first step your child is going to take toward becoming a governor? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.